Give you 2 guesses what we're about to do. I already fixed the radiator leak. Singa's always helping. Now we're on to oil change.
I thought Singa was the chief instructor.
Singa's the supervisor.
The chief destructor.
Yeah.
Alright, it's not exploding, that's good.
This is Dale and Justin's very first boat oil change. And this is Jason's first boat oil change sans Kent.
You shouldn't have to really pump anymore. Great success, oil's out. Took all the YouTube comments that we got from our last oil change. I've got a Ziploc bag here to take out the oil filter.
Go for it, get it.
Whoa.
So baggie was great success? Yes, it was. Man, not a drop anywhere else. Alright. So what do we say to the people who suggested that on YouTube?
Thanks, people. Hopefully there's not a hole in the bag because it was pre-used. That would have been funny.
Excellent suggestion. Thank you, internet world.
Yeah, look at that.
I feel like we're really testing out this bag.
I love how everything's in Japanese. Not even a model number of the filter. And then hand tighten only.
That's good.
Probably. Enough to start the engine.
So tell us again why all of this boat work is interesting to you.
Because we're going to get a boat and we're going to be doing it all ourselves. So now we get to learn on someone else's boat. So it's not our problem when we mess up.
You're welcome. Doing in here?
Replacing the spare composting head fan.
Why'd you break it?
Guess on the passages got shooken up and broke the wire in 3 different spots.
Blame it on the passage.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Fire it up.
Prove it works. Look at that.
Yeah.
Good job. We've been in Boquete and playing. Now that we're back at the boat, we've been doing chores all day, trying to get cleaned up because we have our new crew member coming, Dan. Looks like he's here and we are so not ready. Are you ready? No. Nope. Room's not clean. Are you Dan? Hello! Like if that's not Dan, we're just inviting some strange man on the boat.
I could tell it was me because I was taller than everyone else with the giant yellow bags.
Really small for welcome! They're in the midst of changing the oil down there.
Okay. Hi. Good to meet you. How's it going?
Hand, but it's oily.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. How was your trip?
It's good.
Yeah.
It all went boom, 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 boom. So,
Fast.
yeah.
All done. Finally. Put the room back together.
Oh, look at all of that.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. That sounds good. I'll meet you in town. I'll call you at 9:30 on the dot. Today the boat chores continue. This support arm for our hardtop, which goes right here, broke on our sail. Apparently there's one guy in town, Kiwi Dave, that does stainless work. That's one of the nice things about staying at a marina is they were able to get him in contact with me. So we're gonna go meet him in town. Hopefully he can fix it.
It is raining outside. It's going to be a wet one, so we're taking our GoPro because it's waterproof, along with our handy dandy waterproof gimbal. Audio will probably be crap, but the footage will be good.
And stable.
Yes.
And wet.
Rain droplets. Prepare for rain droplets. Let us go.
Where is everybody?
Put in the cover on my backpack.
Oh, jeez.
No ha preparado.
I'll go with you.
Let's go provision. You totally look like a cone head. That's awesome. Bringing it back.
Yeah, S-U-R. In front of Chow Tai in 5 minutes. Hey, how's it going? Good. How'd you know it'd be me?
Well, I can weld it up, clean it up.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See ya. Fingers crossed.
Man.
Nah, YouTube famous. Vegetable stand?
Vegetable stand.
Did you see that giant truck of meat?
Tasty. Take it.
The whole half a cow?
Yeah, why not? There's lots of room on the boat, right?
Gracias.
Alright, I think that's it. We're ready to go, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Where are we going?
We're going to the Batcave.
That sounds pretty cool. I mean, is Batman there?
He's probably there.
You could become the next Batman, possibly. Photos I saw, the bats looked like at least this big. So, we'll find out. Just clamber in. All right, well, we are putzing along here on our way out of the marina. It's the perfect time to introduce.
This new face.
We have a new face. We have a new crew member. This is Dan. Of course, everybody remembers Dale and
Justin!
our two Canadians on board. And now we have Dan. Dan, where are you from?
I'm from Austin, Texas.
And what do you do in Austin, Texas?
I'm a print graphic designer.
What does that mean to everybody at home?
Means to everyone, I do anything that's printed. So magazines, brochures, business cards, all that. Logo design.
Okay, and when was the last time you had a vacation?
Proper vacation.
Proper vacation a really long time ago.
I think, what did we decide last night?
10 or 11 years.
Oh.
So why the heck did you pack everything up, fly out here to Panama and join us?
I never wanted to live the typical lifestyle. Found you guys' video and or your videos, and thought you guys were really cool and you knew what you were doing. So I was like, okay. As soon as the opportunity popped up, I was like, yeah.
Can you just point it to me? He thought we knew what we were doing and he thought we were really cool. So hold on, let me put this in neutral. He's been here for 36 hours. We've done oil changes, we went provisioning, our coffee grinder broke, and something else. We cleaned the boat. We did some other chore. Oh, man.
We fixed the strut.
Yes.
Or went to go repair it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
How's this, simple lifestyle working out for
That's
you?
great.
Welcome to boat life.
Well, thank you.
Boat life.
The Batcave is on private land inside the Bastimentos Marine National Park area, and we need a guide to get there. Most people would book through a tour operator that would include a boat ride up the river. As sailors, we're in a unique situation because we already have a boat. We just need a guide. Whoa.
that's it, or should I go out by the house? It's super shallow.
So here we are, creeping around the island,
There's a guy standing at that house over there.
looking for an uncharted river and hoping we find a house that might be one of the guides. Luckily, we hear a whistle and see a man on a porch giving a friendly
Sí,
wave.
for a Batcave? Ah. Bien.
Hey guys, guess what?
This is
it.
Or we're just getting tricked into his house.
Come closer.
Just go in my house. I have the Batcave downstairs.
¿Cómo se llama, señor? Bernardo. Mucho gusto. Okay. No, it's not in his house. Yeah. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Cinco per person. Yes. Ahí? If you book through a tour company, it's easy. You make your reservation, get picked up at a coordinated spot, pay the $35 a person, and off you go.
That was close one.
For us cruisers, it's a little more interesting. Fernando wasn't expecting us, but instinctively, he knew why we were here. Quoted us $5 a person, and he hopped aboard Minion. He points us starboard and port, winding us around the hidden stumps and debris. The forest is dense and the waters are murky, but Fernando's finely tuned eyes spot caiman and sloths like only a native can.
Go and do this. I'm ready for this.
Me too.
I like that Dale's flashlight looks like a superhero. She's got some bananas. Hola. So that's a cacao tree, and this is one that a monkey has busted open and sucked all the innards out of. He left one little morsel behind.
Kind of ruined my day though. I was hoping we'd get fresh cacao.
I know, but they're not ready. We asked and he said not till June.
June.
Dang, oh.
Okay, continue on. You wore your adventure sandals.
Yeah. Regular flip-flops would never make it.
Holy cow. It's like a piece of art.
No. That is insane. That is all bamboo.
I've never seen it look like that before.
No. Poke it with a stick.
Poisonous frog.
Puedes observar arriba, sale un murciélago.
Whoa! Man, that is a lot of bugs. Wow!
Okay.
So those are called cricket spiders, and they definitely look like crickets.
And it sounds like crickets too.
Yeah. It's crazy. Neato. They're everywhere. Man, they're kind of freaky looking. Oh, whoa. Ooh. Whoa. Yeah, not comforting.
Ya for spiders, tarantula.
Tarantula?
Oh yeah.
Is it? No.
No, it's a baby.
It's a baby.
Yeah. Does that look like a baby to you?
No.
I have to say, I don't think they're scary. They look very soft and fuzzy. Kind of like a little mouse that makes you want to hold one. And I know that's a terrible idea, so I will not go reaching for one. But they're kind of cute.
Maybe since we're in a cave, I should show some stalagmites and stalactites. There you go. So how deep is the water?
Watch this spider right here when you come up.
Okay.
The tarantula.
Oh. Yeah, no big deal. Just go ahead and take your t-shirt off and lay it right next to the tarantula. Should be good there.
He doesn't like clothes. Well, that is a nice one, yeah. Wow.
Jeez.
Cuidado.
I think I'm gonna need a better word than cuidado. Careful for the wombat.
He does. It drops.
We're going in. Is anyone else getting a breeze from the bats flying around their heads so fast?
Picking up a bunch of stuff on the bottom.
Oh, watch out. Oh, jeez.
Hace frío, hace frío, hace frío.
How's it going, guys?
Well, let's see. There's tarantulas on the walls and bats flying by. Some sort of something down below my feet. It's all kinds of exciting in here.
Yes, I'm hiking with $10,000 worth of non-waterproof equipment.
No big deal.
Man, it's like a party over here. Batcave party.
Batcave party.
Who's touching the puddle?
Well, that was a surprise.
Okay. Yes, we just cannonball.
Did you touch the bottom?
No.
And how tall are you?
6'5".
Wow, that is a hole.
It's fun, no?
Yeah, loads of fun.
Okay.
Aquí es donde vamos a apagar la luz para ver la oscuridad de la cueva.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I still see your camera light.
I see a GoPro light. And a gimbal light. The strings that you see right there. Oh, that's great. Strings that you see right there are the beginning of stalactites.
That
And
is so cool.
in 2 million years, they'll be that big. I don't think I've ever seen that before.
No, I've never seen that. Looks really, really cool.
I thought it was spider webs because I saw them on the way in.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Neato.
This is cool.
I love noise with that.
Move back. We lost our guide.
Leading up here with the tarantula.
It's still there.
Still there?
Yep. Scorpion spider there. Dale's working on a little shrimp.
It's not little. Come and see it. It's big.
You can splash your hand.
Oh, I see him. Here he comes. Yeah, there's a big shrimp.
Yeah. See? Get him.
And that's my foot. That's a scorpion spider.
Yeah.
He's sleeping. He said,
Hold this.
this one's ready, but we can't really reach it.
Quería ir sin.
No, sin zapatos.
You can do it. I have faith. But if you don't make it, what's the name of our insurance company again?
Don't forget my hat. Cuidado, it's okay.
Monkey.
Monkey, mono, mono. ¿Dónde?
Más arriba.
He says more up.
So close.
There's Jason. There's the bottom.
I don't know, I can't.
Well, just go for it. It'll make for a really good video.
Yeah. Wow.
Great success! Yay!
I did it for you.
Thank you. Love you too.
See if I can get down.
Battery exhausted.
Oh, I can't wait. Man, I think I was on there. That was an awesome experience. The only thing we didn't get to see was a monkey,
No.
but you got me. Okay, power
I thought that was awesome. How about you guys?
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was
That
awesome.
Batcave was super cool.
Yeah.
Muchas gracias, Fernando.
Sí.
Muchas gracias.
¿Te gusta su trabajo? Sí. Of course he loves his work.
Definitely the most fun I've had so far in Bastimentos.
Yeah, agreed.
Muchas gracias. Adios.
Might need to paddle out.